What is up, people of YouTube? This is Max from Stevens Brothers Outdoors. Today, sorry, I'm going fishing again. We got Tropical Storm Alberta. Alberta? I think it's Alberto. We got Tropical Storm Alberto coming in. It's supposed to actually hit tomorrow, but we're getting like a bunch of storms and stuff. So hopefully I can get out there, try to beat the storm out there, and hook up on some fish. But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get some food and head out. Yep, this is what it's all about, guys. Alright guys, we just got down here. Water has risen. It's been raining a good bit here lately, so hopefully that's a good thing. Hopefully the water's cooled down a little bit. I think that the water's just been a little bit too warm for them to be biting too much. I've caught a couple down here so far. I caught a few bass and caught one bowfin, but I know that there's pickerel in here, and I've never caught a chain pickerel, so that's what I'm trying to get. But honestly, I'll be happy if I get anything, so y'all stay tuned. I got a brand new bait caster. I got the Quantum Bill Dance Special Edition. Bill Dance, my hero. If you don't know who Bill Dance is, look up his bloopers on YouTube. They're pretty hysterical. Yep, this is what it's all about, guys. This is what fishing is all about. This is probably the 5th time I've done this. This one's pretty bad though. Yeah, like I said, it's been a few years, you know. I'm not a master. So I'm gonna try to get this out. The weather looks like it's taking a turn for the worse. It's sprinkling a little bit. It's not raining yet, so yeah, I'm gonna give it a full send until it starts raining or thundering. Oh, there's a bee. Oh man, he loves that Bill Dance pole, I'll tell you what. Like my hat too. Oh, he survived. Alright, well, I'm probably about to get stung. I'll talk to you guys later. Rain is starting to pick up, so I'm gonna put this camera away because it's not waterproof and I don't want to mess it up, and I'm gonna stay down here a little bit longer. It's not raining too hard yet. I just got my line untangled, so I'm gonna come up here, put the camera up, get some different bait that I just bought, and go back down there and send it. Guys, you'll never believe what just happened. I caught a fish finally. That was crazy though, because what happened was I casted it out. It started a rat's nest a little bit, and I knew there was a log there, so I wanted to keep the bait moving. So as I was pulling the line out, I was walking backwards, and as I was walking backwards, I guess the fish hit. I didn't feel it, and and so after I got it unraveled and everything, I started reeling it in. I was like, did I get hooked on that log? I was like, oh no, there's a fish. So I knew that thing would work good down here. I just knew it. But alright, it's raining pretty hard, so I gotta put this up. Well guys, we gave it a send. Ended up getting the one bass, and that was it. I got a few other bites, but after I lost that rattle, whatever it was called, that thing is money. I need to get another one of those, and I need to bring it down here and just slay the fish one day. I sent a picture of that fish to David. He's smoking some meat today, so I might head over to his house. So if I do, then I'll include that in the video.
Incoming call.
Hello.
Hey.
Like,
I want to eat his soul. Yeah, dude. Fucking, bring your camera or just phone or whatever you take your pictures on.
Alright, well, I was recording a video today anyway, so I guess I'll just include the smoking meat shit on it.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm gonna head home real quick and get some water, and then I'll come over.
Alright, dude. See you in a bit.
Alright, see ya. Alright guys, let's go see what the Grill Master David's up to. Hey! Woo!
Lord, and one day I come home to
Look
find
at all that bacon.
Bacon, chicken, we got livers up here, portobello mushrooms,
angels not inside.
and the fire's going really good too. Check that out, dude.
So I made for the creek. Seeing
Oh, the old Grill Master. Where's your New Balances?
It's a deep fryer.
Oh. Alright guys, we got the finished product, some chicken liver, a mountain of bacon, and the chicken. And I guess he's making some more stuff, I guess that wasn't enough. God, you look scary.
Is this gonna make me pretty?